Hi everyone. Hello. What do you say?
Cooking.
Cooking with, what's your name?
Mommy.
Your name's Mommy?
Yeah.
No, it's not. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie and Chris. And we're gonna make something today. Cooking. We're gonna cook some breakfast. What are we gonna call them? Breakfast extra big muffins? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
That are super healthy and loaded with protein. So we're gonna use the Kodiak Power Pancake Mix. Okay, and what do you have there?
Egg.
Eggs. How many eggs do you see? Can you count them? 1, 2. How many you got? 3 and
4.
4. Wait, you want to try something fun? Watch. How many do I have here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy moly. Pretty good, huh? Good idea. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do, is can you dump this whole box of mix into this bowl? 1, 2, 3. Flip it upside down. Yep. And dump it. All righty. Great job. So the first thing is 1 full batch. Very good. The next thing we need to get is we need to get some milk, okay?
Okay.
Will you stay right here and say hello? Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie. What are we doing today? What are we doing right now?
Hey, where you going?
I'm going to get a measuring cup, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because we need 2 cups of milk. Do you like milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. And to load this up with more protein, we're going to use the lactose-free, high-protein, fat-free milk. Good idea. All right. Give it a good shake.
Yeah.
All right. You want to help me measure this?
Sure.
We need 2 cups, okay? 2
Okay.
cups. Think we can do that? All right.
Yeah.
Here you go. Dump that in. And we're going to... We're almost there. 1 and 2 cups. Very good. All right. We can put that aside. All right. Can you dump that milk into the mix? Careful, careful. Very good. All right, we're in. All right, next, Daddy's gonna crack these eggs. Okay?
Okay.
I'll do that, and you can dump them in. Deal? 1,
1,
2.
2.
Hey, it used to be a little one-hand crack. Let's see what we can do. Well, that was not a one-hand crack. That was a destruction. Used to be really good. There we go. That used to... That's a little better. All right. 4 eggs. Dump it in. Bloop. Oh, did you get a little egg on your hand? Ah. All right. And then 1 final mix ingredient, which is some vanilla. Can you say vanilla?
Yeah.
Vanilla. All right. Hold the spoon and I'll pour. Deal?
Okay.
All right. We need 2 spoons. Hold the spoon. Nice and tight. Perfect. All right. 1. Good job. And how many do we need?
2.
2. And dump. Very good. All righty. Now we're going to mix it, okay?
Okay.
Let's get a spoon. Deal? All righty. Stir. Oh, you're going to use the little spoon? Good job. All right, here we go. Big spoon. Go for it. Are you left-handed? You might be left-handed. I'll help you. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. Whoop. We made a mess. Good.
Okay.
Not yet. We got to make sure that all of it's combined. I see some eggies still. Do you see some eggies? I see some eggies. You want Daddy to do a couple? All right. Oh, it's getting hard. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Stand up so everyone can see you.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, good idea. Do you see yourself?
Yeah, okay.
All right. And then last but not least, we got to put in some fruit. What's your favorite fruit?
Banana.
Bananas. We have 1 banana. Okay, 1 banana. You want to help me cut it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. I opened it. All righty, let's slide over the cutting board. Move everything out of the way. And stay right here. Let me go get us a knife. We're going to be very careful, right?
Yummy.
Yummy. Do you want a little piece?
No peeps.
No piece?
Nope.
You want to eat that piece?
No.
Because you like to eat bananas big, right? You want to put it back on? Boop. Boop. All right, you want to help me cut? Left hand? Because you're a lefty. Very good. You think you can do it by yourself?
No.
I think you can.
I don't think you can.
I think you can.
No.
You did a great job. Are you cutting it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Oh.
Cut.
Cut. Cut.
Banana.
Cut. 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 Very good. All right, can you put those bananas in our mix? Pick these up and throw them in.
Okay.
Clean up the bananas. Here we go. Oops. Oops.
Cheese.
Cheese. Your favorite fruit still bananas? All right, what do we have here?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. Throw them in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, dump it. Good job. All right.
And one more.
And what do we have? One more.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh, and Dad didn't finish cutting them. So we're going to cut these 1, 2, 3. All right.
Ready.
So we're going to cut them. Let's move this out of the way so we're going to see what we're doing.
Ready.
Got to be careful with our sharp knife. Ready? Cut it down. Yep. Down and down. And then I like to turn them. One more. And very good. Can you throw them in? No one got hurt. Beautiful. Shout out to Upper Dublin United at school, our program of students of all kinds of abilities that do all kinds of amazing things, like the bocce tournament, which sounds awesome, and unified track and all kinds of cool sports and other fun and games. Can you throw them in? What are these?
Strawberry.
Obviously super important for kiddos of all kinds. And our kiddo, right? What's on your shirt?
Basketball.
A basketball? That looks like a soccer ball to me. So we're going to mix it all together. Can you stand up, please? Very good. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done. Stir in all of our fruit. Looks like a big old batter. Okay.
What are you doing?
Looks like a batter of fruit. And now we're going to get our pan. Stand up. Because we want everyone to see this. All right. Ooh, it's a big pan. You want to squirt the non-stick spray?
Sure.
Sure. All right. Let's get it ready.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven until I like to test it with a thermometer until it's about 200 degrees, and that's how you know it's done. I don't like to mess with time, but it's around half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. Okay, so we will show you what it looks like when it comes out, and we'll give you all of the calorie information and all of the massive protein that's in here, right? All right, can you push the button? Let's spray. It's going to come out the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Daddy will see the rest. You can do this in a 9x13 pan, but they get pretty thick that way. So I'm going with I would actually do a baking sheet, a regular old half sheet pan if you can, and then we'll spread this around. I would do a regular half sheet pan because then they won't get too big. So can you stand up and say goodbye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
What did we do? We were cooking? We're going to make some food?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you want to eat?
Goldfish.
All right, it's goldfish time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, here we go. Going in the oven. Whoa, do you see it?
Oh.
Whoa, here. Take a peek. How does it look?
Great.
Great. All righty, we did it. Say bye-bye. Thanks for cooking with us.
Bye.
Bye.